Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you already saw from the title, we're gonna unbox the new and exclusive Party and Pamper Beauty Box by Next Beauty. Party and Pamper Beauty Box is retailed for £38, but worth over £145. Okay guys, let's open the box and find the treats that are hidden inside. As usual, we have a leaflet with details about the products that we're gonna find inside, and on the back of this leaflet we have like a spoiler about the next beauty box that will be launched. First product from the Party and Pamper Beauty Box that we find is from Knit Plus Fab Purify Salicylic Fix Concentrate Extreme. Is a 2% salicylic acid booster that will revitalize, cleanse and condition the skin. Salicylic acid will reduce the appearance of enlarged pores and oily skin. Niacinamide will improve uneven skin tone, and the lotus flower extract will control the oil production. Is a product that will be great for people with combination or oily skin types. Is not my case. Second, we got a very popular product from the brand MAC, Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus, a soothing moisture mist that will refresh the skin and finishes makeup. I think this fixing spray from MAC, it doesn't need a big presentation, is a popular and loved product from the brand. I'm not a huge fan of this kind of products. Let's say I find them non-essential. Third, we find a product from Iconic London, Luster Lip Oil in the shade Out of Office. Is a clear lip oil that contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Iconic London is a brand that I want to explore more, especially I want to try the new contour pots. Fourth product is from Liz Early, Balancing Botanical Drops. These lightweight gel drops will reduce the appearance of blemishes, pores and shine. Perfect for oily, blemish-prone skin. Fifth, we find a mini mascara from NARS, Climax Mascara in black. This is a volumizing mascara. I had this mascara in the past and yes, it's great. It gives a nice volume to the lashes. The only thing that I didn't like in this mascara is the wand is too big for my eyes. Sixth, we find a product from a brand that I like a lot, Pi, the Light Fantastic Face Oil. Is a ceramide face oil with a lightweight formula that will absorb easy and fast into the skin and that will leave the skin soft and plumped. Pi, as I said, is a brand that I like a lot. Very happy that I will try this product. Next, we find a mini perfume from the brand Chloe, Signature Eau de Perfume. I love Chloe perfumes and this one, it smells amazing. I am not sure that is the best perfume for this time of the year, but in the spring will be. Product number 8 is from Dr. Pau Pau, Tinted Peach Pink Balm, Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm. Is a super nourishing lip balm which is welcome. And the last product that we find is a travel size candle from a brand that I don't know how to spell it. Is called Fig Tree. Guys, I adore the scent of this candle. It's so nice. Really like it a lot. Okay guys, and these are all the products from the Party and Pamper Beauty Box. We found 4 full-size products, 4 travel-size products and 1 mini deluxe size product. To be honest, for me is a great beauty box. I am happy that I bought it. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!